Welcome. Today, we're diving into how you can filter out posts by a specific author on Instagram, so you only see the content you truly want. This updated method is a great way to customize your feed and avoid posts from accounts that just aren't your vibe. Let's walk through the simple steps together. First, open the Instagram app and head straight to your profile. This is where you manage your settings and preferences. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the 3 horizontal lines menu icon. This will open a list of options related to your account and activity. Next, scroll down until you find the Not Interested option under the Suggested Content section. This area shows posts that Instagram thinks you might not want to see based on your interactions. Tapping here will bring up a new set of controls to help you fine-tune what appears in your feed. Now, you'll see a Filter Author icon. Tap on this icon to start filtering posts by a particular author. Instagram will present you with a list of friends or accounts you interact with frequently, or have recently seen in your feed. Choose the friend or account whose posts you want to filter out or focus on. After selecting the author, tap Apply. This action will filter posts by that author, either hiding their posts from your suggested content or showing only their posts, depending on your choice. By using this feature, you can easily manage your Instagram experience, making it more enjoyable and relevant. Whether you want to avoid certain content or focus on posts from your favorite accounts, this updated filtering tool puts you in control. So remember, open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the menu, select Not Interested, tap the Filter Author icon, pick the account, and hit Apply. It's that simple to tailor your feed exactly how you want it. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy a cleaner, more personalized Instagram feed.